Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Amsi Krishna. Today I am going to tell you about the most important paper. I am going to discuss about the most and very important paper that is going to be the chemistry paper. In inter second year chemistry, that is going to be regarding 2 marks. Inter second year chemistry 2 marks important questions 2021 IPE for TS and AP. Now here, see friends, I suggest each and every student to watch the video completely first. You can get an idea of what kind of 2 marks questions may appear in the public examinations. Now here in this video, regarding chemistry for intermediate second year chemistry paper, regarding 2 marks, there are one of the most important questions which I am going to tell you. There is going to be the first question, state Raoult's law. The first question, what are isotonic solutions? Define osmosis and osmotic pressure. Define molarity. What is Van't factor? What is elevation of boiling point and depression of freezing point of a solution? Define order of a reaction. What is molecularity of a reaction? What is meant by half-life period? Define activation energy and collision frequency. These are some of the important questions regarding 2 marks for the chemistry paper of intermediate second year for the year 2021. Friends, I suggest only one point. Whatever the topic you are preparing, suppose if you are preparing any kind of topic, so what is isotonic solutions? Regarding what is the meaning of isotonic solutions? What is the actual definition of isotonic solutions? Like that, what is the definition of molarity? What is the meaning of molarity? What is Van't factor? What is elevation of boiling point and depression of freezing point of a solution? What is molecularity? What is molecularity of a reaction? To know the meaning of this, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of that? You need to understand the concept, friends. I suggest each and every student to understand the concept. Understanding the concept is very important to get a success in the public examinations. If you understand the concept and if you really well practice in the book or a notebook, then definitely you can get 100 out of 100 marks without any doubt. Here is only one thing and one point I want to say is just understand the concept of each and every topic. Whatever the topics, whatever the questions you are preparing in the subject chemistry regarding intermediate second year, it might be 2 marks or any other weightage of marks. The understanding the concept and practicing the questions, practicing and first understanding concept and practicing will definitely give you a great success in the public examinations to get full marks, that is 60 out of 60 or 100 out of 100. In any subject, understanding the concept and practicing is very important. The friends, finally I want to say not only these questions, if you want to prepare any other important topics like any other topics, just understand and practice each and every time, daily 3 to 4 times, so that you can get an idea in the chemistry, you can understand the subject. And finally, I suggest all the students to go through, refer the previous model exam papers. There are some previous model exam papers, so that if you regarding 2 marks, you can understand, you can have an idea what kind of questions may come in the public examinations. So you can get those previous model papers from the bookshop itself. So finally, not only these questions, just understand the concept, you can just refer the previous model exam papers, and the thing is practice. If you practice, you will get 100% success without any doubt. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.